All right, in the last video we were installing WordPress, and it was at around 95%. So after the WordPress has been installed, okay, you will have this message on congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Okay, so that is to tell you that your website has been installed. Okay, so WordPress has been successfully installed at https your domain name, okay, administrative URL link. Okay, so look, these are two links here. Okay, this first one opens to the front side interface where people that are going to be visiting your website, they are going to see, and this second one, okay, opens to the back end of your website where you are going to be managing your website. So when you look the two links, you will see a difference. Okay, this one ends with wp wp-admin. okay, now this is the link that when you open this, you have to enter the administrative username and the password that you just created when you were installing WordPress. Okay, so directly from here you can right click this and open in a new tab. You see that your website is active. Okay, so you can see this is already my website and it is already active, so people can already view this from anywhere else. Now what is left is just to log into the back end of this website and we edit it, add pictures, add images, and make it to look the way we want it. Okay, so now to log into the back end, okay, of our site, I am going to show you. So you have to right click on this one and you take open with a new tab. Okay, when you take open with a new tab, and you see directly the back end has opened. Okay, because I already I just created the account, so I can directly start to edit it from here. But if it does not open here, let's say it opens to where you have to log in to the login page. Okay, if it opens to the login page, okay, you have to enter the username that you created, administrative username that you created. This was my own username, and the administrative password, okay, the administrative password that you equally created. And then you click login. So you see the same interface is going to open. So I can just save this. So that is how to install WordPress, and you are able to see the front side of your page and the back side of your page. Now the next thing for us is to see how to secure our website. Okay, when somebody opens to our website, it shows a lock on our URL. So let me show you a sample of what I'm talking about. So when you look at this website, if you open it, you'll see that here is saying not secure, and here there is no lock here. Okay, so you have to secure your website in such a way that when somebody opens your website, the person will see here secured and there is a padlock here. That is to show you that your website is secured. Now, how do we secure our account? That takes us to installing what? The free SSL certificates in our account. Now, when we talk about the free SSL certificates, what do we mean by free SSL certificate? SSL CSS stands for Secure Socket Layer and Transport Layer Security. It is a protocol or communication role that allows computer systems to talk to each other on the internet safely. SSL/TLS certificates allow web browsers to identify and establish encrypted network connections to websites using the TLS protocol. Okay, so in order for browser to access your website encryptedly, okay, you have to install what? The SSL certificate in your account. Unfortunately for us, the free hosting account that we are using, they offer free SSL certificates. But if you buy a domain name, you are equally going to buy the SSL certificates. Okay, the Secured Socket Layer certificate. That's the meaning of SSL. SSL. So let us see how to do that. Here at our account, okay, you click on free SSL certificate. Now you just need to close this little pop-up. After the page loads, okay, you just need to scroll down to the bottom and you click on new SSL certificate. Now what you have here is because I've been creating a lot of certificates in my account. These are them listed, and some have expired and I've renewed them. So just go ahead, click on new SSL certificate. When the page loads, okay, you just type your domain name here. Okay, you just type your domain name, and that's my domain name. When you type in the domain, just click on create order. After the page load, you see in green, oh yes, your SSL order has been created. Please see below for the next steps. Okay, step 3, set up DNS records for your web search for your domain. Okay, and here they say we can set up a CNAME record for you automatically. So just click on set up CNAME record automatically. So just click on it. That after the CNAME record has been created, it should be installed in your account automatically. Now after that, okay, now you see in your account it will show red. Okay, mine is showing green already, but in your account it might show red. Okay, so if it is showing red, you just need to keep refreshing the page. Okay, just stay on this page, keep refreshing until you see where they say current destination ready in green, like what I have here. When you have it in green, then you can go ahead to click request certificate. Okay, you go ahead to click request certificate. But if it is red, you keep refreshing. Just come and click here to refresh the page. Click here, refresh until the red changes what? Green. And then when it changes green, they will tell you ready, where they say current destination. When it is green and it is ready, so go ahead to click request certificate. After that, your certificate has been requested and will be available shortly. Okay, so just scroll and go down and you will see this rotating here. Okay, and it says we are requesting your SSL certificate. Please do not remove the CNAME record until this is complete. You can refresh the page to see if the certificate has been created. So also at this particular point, when the SS certificate has been created, it will be shown here, but until it is shown, do not close this page or go away from this page. So keep refreshing the page until you see that the SS certificates are ready. Now I have just refreshed my own and you see step 5, verification installation. Okay, now my SS certificate has been issued. Status SS certificate installed. Okay, are you seeing? So here you will see that in my account it's showing here installed because I already installed SS certificate. But in your account you will have an option here to say that says install your SSL certificate automatically, the same way it was showing for install CNAME. So you are just going to click on install automatically and then you will have this status SS certificate installed successfully. If you don't have this, equally keep refreshing the page till you will see a green line here showing that it has been installed. So after when the SL certificate has been installed, okay, now we will move on to the next thing, which is to force our uniform resource locator URL to use HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. The S stands for secure. But if you check on the website like the one I was showing you, if you click here and you copy this link and paste it back, you will see here that HTTP without an S there. So it means that it's not secure. That's why it was showing here not secure. So directly this is the link that we have, but we are going to force everybody that is accessing your URL to use with the HTTPS with the S there. And how do you go about to do this? I am going to show you. Okay, so just down below this page, okay, where they say force all visitors to use HTTPS. Okay, here they say knowledge base, so right click on this and open on a new tab. When it opens, scroll down and you see how to force all traffic to use HTTPS. Scroll down and here you copy this. Okay, copy this where they say rewrite engine on. Just copy that. After copying, go back to your account. Okay, and you scroll up, you click on account. Go to the account and you click on file manager. Remember I showed you at the beginning. Okay, click on file manager. Now when the file manager opens, just click on htdocs. Okay, and you can see, these are files of your website. Okay, remember when we came to this htdocs, there was nothing there before we installed our WordPress. Now after installing it, you can see files here, so click on ht access. Okay, click on ht access. Now if you click on it and you are not seeing edit among the drop down, okay, click back there and you scroll down. And you scroll down and then you will leave it the first option. As you are scrolling down, you click there again, you are going to see edit. Click on edit. Now when you click on edit, add the text that you copied to the last line. So I'm just going to paste it here. The code that I copied, I take paste. If that one is not good, I just Ctrl V for paste. Oh, okay, it looks like I did not copy, so I go back and I copy it. Ctrl C to copy, and then I come back here, Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, so after pasting it, click save and you close it. So adding that code to ht access file means everybody that is accessing your website will have to use the HTTPS URL link. Okay, so that is that. If you have reached this far, I believe that you are learning a lot of things. So in our next lesson, we are going to log in to the back end of our website and we begin the drag and drop procedure on how to edit our WordPress website so that it looks like any other WordPress website or any website that you've been seeing online. So in the next videos, in the next training, I am going to be teaching you the drag and drop. There is no code, I insist, on how you can directly edit your website that you are just from creating without any stress. Please, if you are enjoying this training, don't miss up our next lesson because it's going to be amazing. So in our next training, we are going to edit this, okay, and we change all this to look amazing. Add colors, add pictures and everything. Okay, so please don't miss our next training. So see you in the next training.